How to tag someone on Facebook. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to tag someone on Facebook. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So right now let's head over to Facebook. So there's actually two methods. So the first method is when you're still trying to create the post. So in here you can see that what's on your mind, and in here you can see this tag people. So click on tag people right here, and then you can search here for the person that you want to tag. So just search for the person, and then after you have searched for them, just click on their name, click on done, and then click on this to go back. And then now you can post something and click on this post right here, and they will be tagged. Now what will happen if you already post something and you still haven't tagged that person? So right now let's head over to my account, and then as you can see, here are my posts in the past. So if I want to tag someone in this post, what I need to do is just click on these three dots, and then from in there you can see this edit privacy and all of that, right? But on the reels you can actually tag someone, but in here, for example, since it's already been posted, click on these three dots right here, click on edit post, and then from in there you can also see the tag people. So click on tag people right here and just choose someone you want to tag, click on back right here, and then click on save right here in order to save the tag to that person. So what will happen if you posted a picture and you haven't tagged someone? So let's click on this and allow. So in here we can actually try to post a picture. So for example, let's try to post this. As you can see, it's posting, but we haven't tagged someone. So if you want to tag someone, if you already posted the picture, just click on the three dots, click on edit post, and from here you can tap on the space on the picture, or you can also click on this thing right here, which is the tag, and then just choose the person that you want to tag. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to tag someone on Facebook. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.